why Nigerians applaud Reno Omokri for calling out Michelle Obama on NSAS protests. You will all recall in 2014 when 200 schoolgirls were abducted by deadly terrorists in West Africa. Boko people and what people did about it before federal government led by President Muhammadu Buhari took a bold step in actualizing the release of those girls. The then United States of America First Lady Michelle Obama had to show concern about this incident by participating in the protest that followed the abduction of those girls when Nigerian government were taking the issue with levity hands. International celebrities, most especially the wife of the USA President then Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, was immensely involved in the protest when she posted pictures of herself carrying a paper in which "Bring Back Our Girls" was written in it, which eventually led to the release of those girls from Boko people bondage. Nigeria has been explaining about the recklessness and brutality of one of the Nigerian police force branch, Special Anti-Robbery Squad, SARS, on the life and properties of Nigerian people, but federal governments have not been paying attention to it. The recent killings by the SARS men drew the attention of all the citizens in Nigeria, which led to national peaceful protest, which was tagged "End SARS immediately," being staged all over the country. Celebrities, both home and abroad, has been showing support to this protest, as every one of them taken to their social media page to clamor for the scrapping of the arm of police in Nigeria. Reno Omokri, who is known for his fearless and braveness, logical attacks on the recklessness of government, has taken the protest to the next level when he made a post on his Instagram page to call on international support for the End SARS protest, since the Nigerian government will never pay attention to anything threatening the lives of people willingly unless the people have a medium like protest to send a strong message to them. In one of the posts he made some hours ago calling on Michelle Obama, the former USA First Lady, to support the protest has generated a lot of mixed feelings from Nigerians. Some applauded the post while some blasted him for calling on Michelle Obama into the protest. Thank you for listening to this news. I would like to applaud Reno Omokri personally as well. See, Nigerians, we don't know what we want. We don't know what we want. Because if we know what we want, we will know the good work that Reno Omokri is doing. You understand? The work he's doing is not for himself, but for you. Look at what happened in the past. Concerning the Bring Back Our Girls, you saw the levity and the I don't care attitude that our Nigerian government was showing to that aspect. But the moment when Omokri took it to the next level by involving international characters, international personalities, when Nigerians saw the intervention of this international personality, what did they do? They took an action and the girls were released. You can see. In fact, that is what is paining me about this country. The way we handle things, we do things as if it's not our concern. Maybe because it's not our children that were affected. It's not the president's son or the president's daughter that was kidnapped. That is why they can do whatever they like. That is why they can say whatever they like. You can imagine. Only when the president's wife intervened, that is when the administration knows the right thing to do. Is that not stupid? Is that not crazy? It's crazy. Completely crazy. We're in a very crazy country. Well, involving Michelle Obama is not a crime. Those people bombarding Reno Mokri are evil people. They are evil people. They don't want the progress of this country. They don't want, in fact, they are wicked people. It's because they are not the one that was kidnapped. It was not their own family that was kidnapped. All these things that is happening since 2 weeks now, and federal government has kept quiet, not doing anything. Someone has decided to intervene and speak on behalf of the masses, and some persons are blasting him. Why won't the president treat our issue with levity? Why won't he apply an I don't care attitude to our issue? Because we have allowed it. Because we have said yes to it. So that is why he doesn't mind and he doesn't care. He doesn't want to know you. He doesn't want to know if you are existing. You understand? So that's it. So Reno Mokri, I am applauding you through this channel. I am giving you a big kudos on the good work. You've always been a brother to those who has nobody to support them. Keep up with the good work. The sky will definitely be your limit. What are we saying? What are we saying? These people are killing faithful Nigerians, innocent Nigerians, and you're saying that they don't have rights to talk? Huh? What are we talking about? Why are we so greedy? Why are we so greedy and wicked? Why? Oh God. I don't know where we are heading to. And that is why some persons will be saying that Nigeria as a country don't need restructuring. You see? We don't need restructuring. That is what they keep saying. So we should remain the way we are, the way we are suffering. We should remain like that. The way we are being extorted, cheated, killed illegally, wrongly ruled. Oh, I don't know. Well, see, there is something I used to believe. I used to believe something that what is going to be is going to be. What is going to happen is going to happen. Anything anyone wants to do, let them do. The truth will definitely come out one day, and the truth is what is about to be revealed. You understand? So, my viewers, I personally don't know what your own comment concerning all that has just been said may be, but please do me free to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.